Hey Terry, so if you're having the issue where you are trying to use the water on, say, your syringe, and all of a sudden it just peters off real quick and goes away, a lot of times your air or water filter in one of these cylinders is clogged. It doesn't look the same on every unit, but somewhere where your air and water line, either on the side of a cabinet or at the toe of a chair, are, you should see a cylinder like this that lines are running into. You don't need to disconnect it. You do need to shut off the valves, whether that's in the floor or in the cabinet, and then maybe use your air water syringe to bleed off and make sure there's no pressure. Otherwise, when you unscrew this, whether it's air or water, something will be flying at you. So on this one, you can use a flat blade screwdriver. Some of them just have a knob that has grooves, and you would use something like a plier. So, but on all of them, you remove that. There's an O-ring there that you'll want to make sure it's clean, and you'll make sure that it's in place. And then this has a small bevel on this end, so you'll take the old one out that's probably dirty. If it's the water one, it'll look probably kind of green and nasty. Just throw away the old one, and then when you place the new one on, make sure that that bevel is facing down, and that'll hold it exactly in place. And then you'll screw back on this lid, and then you'll just tighten it very snug, and then you'll want to turn the valves back on, make sure you're not getting a water leak here, and then go ahead and test the rest of your unit and see if that restores your pressure. If that doesn't solve it, it's probably a clog somewhere else, but hopefully this helps.